welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a rant about natural hair struggles because I don't know if it's because it's been raining a lot, but I'm just in a ranting mood. And there's just so many things that annoy me about my hair. But don't get me wrong, I would not change my hair for anything. I would not change a single thing about it. But there's a lot of problems that come with having extremely curly, extremely coily, extremely thick, and mediumly long natural hair. Oh no, when I was just counting on my fingers, I think that guy thought I was waving to him because I'm driving to work right now. He'll be fine. So the first thing that I was just thinking about is that, well, I think I found a solution to this because my last video I posted has helped me a lot with this, but my hair is so dry all the time, no matter what. And I did an aloe vera treatment 2 days ago, and I left it in overnight, and that made my hair just so moisturized. And when I washed it, I just used the shampoo and conditioner that I showed you guys in the end of the video, but I actually didn't even put any leave-in in my hair, and my hair is still moisturized. So that's how good the aloe worked in my hair. And that leads me to the next topic, but overall my hair is just so extremely dry. And I think it's because my hair is really low porosity, but I just suffer from like chronically dry hair, and it's just very annoying because I can literally use like the most amount of leave-in conditioner possible, and it would just sit on top of my hair because my hair is low porosity. And if I wet my hair a lot throughout the week, it just makes it even worse. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do the aloe treatment more often because that's clearly really helping, because my hair is actually moisturized right now. But the only thing that's bad about the aloe is that I have flakes of aloe in my hair now. So now I have like little white specks, and it's probably because I think when I was washing the aloe out of my hair, I was like about to be late for school, so I didn't wash it for that long. Like, I was washing my hair quickly. So probably if I just washed my hair longer, then there would be no aloe flakes. Because let's be honest, I wasn't very thorough in washing my hair, but but yeah, I'm gonna try to keep doing the aloe for moisture. That leads me into the next rant, is that my hair is just, I just have too much hair. Like, because my hair doesn't retain moisture well, and my hair is so dense, I don't know how to explain this, but like, there are so many individual curls when my hair is dry. So when my hair is dry, and you can really see this in my what's in my college backpack video and my last hair growth tip video. I'll insert pictures of what my hair looked like in those videos, but there's just so many individual strands of hair on my head. And when it gets dry, it's just like every single individual strand could have a tangle on it potentially, and that just makes me feel claustrophobic. Like, there's too many strands and so many of them could have tangles, and I don't know if I'm crazy, but when my hair is tangled, I literally feel I can't talk to you. When I just had a cup of coffee, so maybe that's why I'm so fired up. But, and in that situation, don't even get me started on trying to put your hair in a bun if your hair is so thick, so dense. Well, actually, there's a difference between thick and dense, and I always get those mixed up because my hair is not thick. That's the problem. My hair strands are fine, but my hair is extremely dense. So if it gets tangled, literally all my hair could just break off in one fatal swoop. So that's why it stresses me out if my hair is tangled, because one single strand knot could just ruin my whole career. A whole chunk of my hair could just be gone in a minute if the single strand knots go rampant, which I talked about in my natural hair disaster video. And I'll put that in the description box because at this point it's probably so far back in my channel. But yeah, just the trying to get dry, thick hair into a bun. Like, if you're just running late for school or work and you're not trying to look like you're going on the red carpet with your natural hair, you're just trying to survive. You're just trying to get your hair out of your face so that you can literally work. And then it just won't go in a bun. Like, the amount of times this week alone I've been late for work because I spent like 10 extra minutes redoing my bun because it literally just won't form into a bun. Like, all I'm trying to do is put my hair in a high bun. Why is it taking me 15 minutes? Like, it's just too thick. And then you can like break all the elastics off. It's just a whole mess. And yeah, this bun, the reason why I did the bun small is because of the aloe vera in my hair. I didn't want it to look crazy because of the aloe vera in my hair, the residue of it. I made the bun small so that you can't see the whiteness, because that's the ironic thing, because aloe vera removes dandruff, but then it's looking like you have dandruff. But that's my fault because I didn't wash my hair thoroughly, but whatever. And I'm about to be at work, so I need to make this last point quick. But the last thing that no one talks about is that, as you guys know, I have to be extremely strict with my skincare routine in order for me to have clear skin. But so many skincare products, so many natural hair products break me out. And I've never heard anyone talk about this, and I'm not gonna name names because it's only me, and I don't wanna, and I love the products. That's why I'm not gonna name the names, because, well, if you wanna know what I'm talking about, then if you comment below, I'll probably tell you, but I'm not gonna name names in the video. But so many natural hair products over the years I've noticed break me out. Like, if I put it on my edges, I'll have acne all over my skin, like along my hairline. And the products are so expensive. My hair is so hard to do. I'm just trying my best. And then the products break me out. Like, that's just disrespect. But yeah, guys, that was my short natural hair rant. Because I'm just annoyed for some reason at my hair. But overall, I wouldn't change my hair, because even if I said like maybe I would change the porosity, but then people with high porosity hair have a whole another list of problems that I don't even know about. So overall, I wouldn't change my hair, and I guess I'll just have to deal with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and make sure to comment down below your natural hair struggles and just any ranting things about your hair that really annoy you, even though you just have to deal with it. And also make sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.